VSSL Flask. Looking for the perfect survival companion on your next outdoor adventure? Look no further than the VSSL Flask, the ultimate all-in-one tool that packs every essential supply you could ever need. Built to look like an ordinary drinking flask, the VSSL Flask is actually jam-packed full of survival tools that can help you stay safe and comfortable in any situation. At the bottom of the flask, you will find a full LED flashlight that can illuminate your path, signal for help, and even send automatic SOS signals into the sky. The cap of the VSSL Flask is an oil-filled compass that provides super precise navigation, allowing you to find your way no matter where your adventure takes you. When you've made it back to camp, use the included bottle opener and shot glass to relax and enjoy a well-deserved drink. Made from military-grade aluminum, the VSSL Flask is built to withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions. Whether you're hiking up a mountain or navigating a dense forest, you can trust that this flask will keep your supplies safe and secure. Survival Credit Card. This survival credit card can actually save your life in the wilderness. It's extremely lightweight and can easily slide into your wallet. Despite its compact size though, it still has almost 60 different tools for you to use. There are a ton of different measuring instruments imprinted on it, including a ruler, depth gauge, and sundial, plus it can act as a compass for navigation too. That said, the card also packs some real survival tools like a pry bar, a shovel, and a multi-wrench. It's not only useful in the wilderness though, because it also has a can opener, screwdriver, and bottle opener in it. So whether you're out and about or having a barbecue at home, this thing's got you covered. Despite its almost 60 different tools, this survival credit card is extremely lightweight and compact, easily sliding into your wallet. The survival credit card is equipped with a range of measuring instruments including a ruler, depth gauge, sundial, making it easy to navigate and track your progress in the wilderness. This credit card also packs some serious survival tools, tools that can help you stay safe and comfortable even in the toughest outdoor conditions. So whether you're outdoors or indoors, the perfect companion for you is the Survival Credit Card. ATAC Survival Tool, the ultimate versatile axe. When it comes to outdoor adventures, having the right tools is crucial. And with the ATAC Survival Tool, you have everything you need right at your fingertips. The ATAC Survival Tool is the most versatile axe in the world, with over 15 different tools built right into its compact design. Small enough to be holstered right into your belt, it can be used as a knife, skinning tool, and wire cutter, thanks to its sharp titanium blade. If you need to chop wood, simply carve a big wooden handle to turn this tool into a full-sized lumber axe. The ATAC Survival Tool can also help you navigate through the wilderness, thanks to its built-in rangefinder and compass. It even has an inclinometer to measure elevation and slopes in hilly areas, making it the perfect tool for any outdoor enthusiast. Made from high-quality materials, the ATAC Survival Tool is built to withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions. You can trust that this versatile tool will last you for years to come. Grylls SK, the ultimate survival tool. When it comes to survival in the wilderness, having the right tools can make all the difference. And there's no better person to design a survival tool than Grylls himself. The Grylls SK toolkit is the ultimate survival kit, designed to keep you safe and prepared in any situation. Right off the bat, the Grylls SK toolkit includes a full first aid kit and a sharp survival knife to keep you safe at all times. To help you find your way in the wilderness, the kit includes a compass paired with an LED torch, guaranteeing that you'll never get lost. The kit also includes waterproof matches, which eliminates the struggle of finding flint and tinder replacements, ensuring that you can start a fire quickly and easily. Even the carrying bag itself can double as a water capturing device, making it easy to stay hydrated when you're out in the wilderness. To help you make the most out of the tools in the Grylls SK toolkit, it also comes with a little survival guide that explains how to use them. Emergency Bivvy. Survive the harshest weather conditions. When you're out in the wild, one of the most important things to have is a reliable shelter, and the Emergency Bivvy can be your ultimate survival tool. This compact sleeping bag is designed to save you during harsh weather conditions, especially snowstorms. One of the most significant advantages of the Emergency Bivvy is its lightweight and compact design. It weighs less than a baseball and can be easily folded into a tiny cylinder small enough to fit into your pocket. But when extended, it can accommodate a 7-foot tall person with ease. The Emergency Bivvy is not your ordinary sleeping bag. It's made of a special reflective active layer on the inside that reflects almost 90% of your body heat back to you, keeping you warm even during a snowstorm. It's fully sealed up, which ensures that all the heat stays inside. The bag's weatherproof design keeps you safe even during the harshest conditions, making it an essential item for any survival kit. The Emergency Bivvy is also designed to protect you from wildlife. Its tear-resistant material and camo layer keep you safe from any unwanted attention while you sleep. Not only is the Emergency Bivvy ideal for survival situations, but it's also great for camping and hiking trips. It can be an excellent addition to your outdoor gear, ensuring that you're always prepared for any weather condition. Lifestraw Flex. Are you an adventurer at heart who loves to spend time outdoors? Then you know how essential it is to have access to clean drinking water during your trips. Luckily, the Lifestraw Flex water bottle is here to help. This little marvel is designed to provide you with compact, lightweight, and highly effective water filtration system that's perfect for all your outdoor activities. Let's take a closer look at its features. Lifestraw Flex is a collapsible squeeze bottle that can easily be carried in your pocket. Weighing less than 3 ounces and holding up to 22 ounces of water, it's an ideal companion for hikers, campers, and adventurers alike. But what really sets the Lifestraw Flex apart is its advanced water filtration system. With a special membrane filter, this bottle can remove bacteria, parasites, and microplastics from any water source. Plus, a carbon layer on top of the filter can remove impurities like lead, providing you with clean drinking water even from muddy or dirty sources. Lifestraw Flex is designed to last for a long time, with its filtration system able to clean up to 500 gallons of water before it needs to be replaced. That's over 3 years' worth of clean drinking water for one adult. Using the Lifestraw Flex is incredibly easy. Just fill the bottle with water, squeeze it to force the water through the filter, and enjoy clean water directly from the bottle, or use it to fill another container. Camillus Carnivore X. The Camillus Carnivore X machete is not your average chopping tool. It is designed with a multitude of features that make it a versatile and indispensable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers alike. At the heart of the Carnivore X is a titanium bonded knife that is 3 times sharper than standard steel blades, providing an exceptional cutting edge that can handle even the toughest tasks. The blade extends through the handle, ensuring that it remains sturdy and durable. Moreover, the machete features a full-length saw for chopping down trees and special hook for gutting game or cutting wires. The Carnivore X comes with a specialized sheath that features a trimming knife as well, complete with spear notches, a cutting blade, and various size wrenches. This tool set is essential for any outdoor situation, ensuring that you are always equipped with the necessary gear to handle any situation that arises. With a length comparable to that of a rolling pin, the Camillus Carnivore X is also a formidable weapon against wild animals that may pose a threat during your outdoor adventures. It provides a sense of security and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on enjoying your experience without worry. EST Shovel. The EST Shovel is a highly versatile and functional tactical tool that is surprisingly lightweight, weighing only 3 pounds. Despite its portability, it is crafted with military-grade aluminum, which ensures its durability and longevity. What sets the shovel apart is the shovel head itself, which is embedded with several survival tools that can be incredibly useful in outdoor activities. For instance, the sharp blade on one side and the saw on the other can be used for cutting wood and other materials. Additionally, the ruler, wrenches, and bottle opener located near the base provide a practical set of features for campers and hikers. The handles of the EST shovel is another surprise. It can be disassembled to reveal additional tools such as fire steel, screwdriver, whistle, and a fish scaler, which can be incredibly useful in a variety of scenarios. With a total of 18 tools packed into a single body, the EST shovel is a must-have accessory for those who love to venture into the great outdoors. Lockhart Tactical. Introducing Lockhart Tactical, a device that can potentially save you from a bear attack. Whether you are preparing to spend the night in the wilderness or attempting to escape, this tactical alarm serves as an exceptional backup plan. Setting up the device between trees is all that is required, and in the event that an animal attempts to enter your campsite, it will instantly release a noise grenade. The loudness of the alarm is enough to scare off the animal, and it also serves as a warning signal for anyone nearby. Moreover, the alarm has a built-in flare that shoots up into the sky once triggered. The device can also be manually activated to signal for help. Combar. Behold the Combar, a hatchet with unrivaled advancements. Crafted from high-end reinforced polymer, this hatchet is incredibly sturdy. Its textured shaft is long enough to be grasped with both hands, offering a firm grip even when swung with full force. The real marvel lies in its anodized aluminum head, which can transform into 3 distinct tools. Unfolding the front reveals a sharp axe head, capable of chopping wood logs. Behind the axe is a hardened steel hammer, perfect for driving tent pegs or extracting fibers from tree bark to start a fire. Further unfolding the back exposes an actual titanium spade for digging. Moreover, the hatchet's handle is hollow and opens up to reveal a concealed compartment where a knife, precision saw, or any other tool can be stored. Gerber Stakeout. Introducing the Gerber Stakeout, the ultimate camping tool that can handle everything from setting up your tent to cooking food. The sturdy carabiner built into its frame allows it to clip onto your backpack with ease. As you begin to unravel its tools, it reassembles a Swiss Army knife. This tool includes a 10-stake puller, saving you valuable time when packing up. In addition, it offers a plethora of cutting tools, such as a knife, saw, scissors, and awl. Furthermore, the tool boasts a bottle opener and a ferro rod striker for starting fires. Even if you carry a large survival knife, the Stakeout's blade file can keep it sharpened.